Good morning, everyone. I am Shraddha from grade 3rd. I am tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Monday. Today's date is 15 September 2025. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Arna Kapse from grade 3. Today's motivational Monday thought is in the circle of life, everything is connected. Thank you.
Good morning all, this is Purva Satisole from grade 3.
Good morning everyone, I am Purvambi from grade 3.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ananya. I study grade 3.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Leshan Roshi from grade 3.
Today we are going to tell you importance of the day. Today we are observing International Dot Day. Dot Day is celebrated on September 15. It was inspired by the book Peter H. Rayon's.
In the story, the daughter girl never was the thing she can't draw. Her teacher said just make a mark and see where it takes you. She make a dot and it become the start of her art journey. She learned she can be creative and confident.
Why do we celebrate Dot Day? To celebrate the artist inside everyone. To remind us it is okay to start small. Be kind to others and help them shine. Let's use those and show what makes us unique. Thank you.
What can we do on dot day? Create our own dot art. Wear dots on our clothes.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message and believe in yourself.
Start small dream.
Let's use dot to what make us unique. Thank you.
Thank you.